Hey everybody, Mechanic on Rogue here. My 2016 Volkswagen Golf has been throwing an intermittent message for a license plate light not working. Fortunately, that's nothing that's going to stop the car from driving, and it's really easy to fix, so let's take care of it. Most cars, including my Golf, have two license plate lights. They're built into the trim just above the plate. To remove them, you'll need to depress a small retaining tab on the side of the light using a screwdriver. This is going to allow the light assembly to hang free from the vehicle. You're going to notice that it's still attached to the vehicle via an electrical connector on the back. You can try to remove that connector, but chances are it's going to be stuck on there and it's not going to be easy to take off. You might even damage it if you try too hard. An easier way is to just take the light assembly in one hand, take the connector in the other, and twist to the left. At the other end of that connector is a socket. Twisting to the left unlocks that socket from the housing, and now the socket and the bulb that's in it can be removed from the housing without disconnecting the connector at all. From the factory, these are just simple incandescent bulbs. I like to call them peanut bulbs because of their size. My 2016 Golf takes a 2825 bulb. Installation is basically the reverse of removal. Install the new bulb into the socket, reinstall the socket into the light housing, twist to the right to lock it into place, and then snap that light back into the trim, and you're done. I'll do a quick light check to make sure everything's working, and just like that, the warning message is gone. And that's it. License plate lamp replaced. If you like this video, consider giving it a like and subscribing for more DIY maintenance and car fixes. I'll see you in the next one. MGR signing out.